Untitled Diffusing LED strip ST-BL20 is a creative LED strip equipped with a special super wide angle lens. It uses imported Samsung LED chips. Each LED is 2 watts, constant current 0.7 ampere working model, super wide angle lens, and twice diffusing light design. That is illuminating more evenly. Strong aluminum radiator brings good heat dissipation and prolonged using lifetime. Male and female head connection simplifies installation. Modular design and waterproof ensure ST-BL20 to be used outdoor well. According to the size of light box, choose suitable strip length and quantity. As the quantity of LED, choose suitable adapter. Arrange the LED strips in accordance with the current direction. Connect the strips. Connect the adapter. Before turning on the power, check the current direction again. Turn on the power. ST-BL20 works stably and durably.